Welcome to my channel today. I am going to discuss a very important issue or matter for every successful forex trader, which is the broker. But in this video, I'm going to discuss the best broker in South Africa. If you're a beginner or intermediate forex trader or a professional, I want to tell you that today that the broker determines how far you can go in forex trading. Even if you are no matter how great your trading strategy is, no matter how prepared you are, if you don't have the right broker, you hardly make it. Do you know why? The broker provides the pitch, the field at which you trade. That means the broker provides the platform for you. Let me tell you, the greatest players in the world can never perform on a very bad pitch, on a very local pitch. Yes, people like Ronaldo and Messi cannot play very well in a very local pitch, so applicable to you no matter how good you are. With the wrong broker, you will get it wrong. So the broker is the foundation. So if you are a beginner and you are here, I congratulate you because you are really on the platform that will really teach you exactly what to do in picking your broker. I will tell you my best broker over the years. Yes, and this broker, as it may be, is the best in South Africa. If you want us to roll, please subscribe, share, be part of my community. Your sharing and comments and subscription will make the algorithm to favor this video so that other beginners will succeed in getting the right broker. Remember, my goal is to make you make money as I do. Make a living. I'm not saying become a billionaire in dollars, no, but you can make a living. Look fresh and comfortable as a broker, as a trader, when you have the right broker. So we are going to look at how or the things to consider in selecting the best broker in South Africa. Now, the hallmark of a beginner-friendly forex broker in South Africa, the broker must be regulated by Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA. Yes, the broker must be regulated by this authority in South Africa. Now, how do you know a broker if a broker is regulated? This is the website. You can go to search, or you can write the broker and say, please, what is your ID number with FSCA? The broker will introduce you, have all this. Now, because you are a beginner, you are not expected to put in big money. You are expected to start small and grow over time. So the broker for a beginner and the best in South Africa must have a minimum, very low minimum deposit. Yes, even a $1, a $2, a $10, $15 account. Sometimes the broker will give you leverage that will make you practice with the little fund you have until you master the terrain of trading forex as a beginner. The broker has to give you a user-friendly platform. The platform needs to be very plain, easy to understand. Yes, all the features will be there for you to learn forex trading. Now, this is very crucial. Tight spread and commission. Once you enter a trade, the spread is the difference between the sell and the buy price. So when you enter a trade, compulsorily the broker will take little, or the difference must reflect in your account as negative. Now let me tell you, some brokers don't even take spread. Then some take little. The broker I'm going to let you know, I'm going to reveal to you, the spread is so tight that it's almost insignificant. Once you enter the trade and you have a negative, big negative from your money, it is demoralizing. It is scary, more especially for a beginner. But with the broker I'm discussing, or we are going to look into holistically, you understand that the spread is very tight. In fact, he has no commission. Good brokers have no commission. They are not interested in your commission. They are interested in your success and that little spread they make out of the market. So these features must be found in the broker's qualities. Then the most important, yes, is the customer support. How reliable or how responsive are they? Now, the broker I want to introduce you to, let me tell you, no matter the problem, no matter any time, you have between 1 hour and 3 hours to get the problem solved. Yes, 1 hour to 3 hours to get this problem solved. How do you do that? You can simply go to the website, search for customer support, and write and check if really what I'm saying is right or wrong. So, this is exactly the features to consider in getting a broker. There are other features, which is like fund deposits, fund withdrawal. Yes, the broker, a friendly broker must have a means of local deposit in your currency. Yes. So how do you deposit or how do you withdraw? What is the speed of the withdrawal? That's very essential. The speed of the withdrawal of this broker is as in fact, with the speed of light, you've gotten your money. We have top contenders in South Africa. We have a lot of brokers there. But I don't want to bore you with this. I want you to go straight to the broker, which is Forex. Now, let me tell you, this is my platform. Do you see how simple this platform is? Very welcoming. You have so many pairs to trade. You have trading tools. You have the trend line. You have the Fibonacci. You have charting tools that will help you trade Forex in a friendly manner as a beginner. Forex is a Forex that is leading in South Africa. In fact, it is a broker for the South Africans to the South African, made for South Africans. You will be shocked to understand that the headquarters of this Forex is in South Africa. Tell me why you will not use this broker. Tell me why you find it difficult. Tell me why you will not quickly, no matter the broker you are using, switch to Forex and you will appreciate what I have for you. Yes, as I said, other valuable information that your broker will give is mode of payment. Do they have multiple mode of payment? Do they accept payment in your local currency? Yes. Do they have physical presence in South Africa? Yes. The headquarters is in South Africa, and this is the headquarters of this broker I'm talking of. This is, you can see, Durban, South Africa. That is exactly where the headquarters, and with branches in other part of the country. That means you can quickly walk into the office and solve whatever problem you have regarding trading with this platform. They have a special mobile trading platform. Yes, you can trade on the go. They have a platform, a mobile platform. Yes, we have MT4 on the mobile, but you have this broker's platform, mobile platform for you to trade. They have abundant of tools for you to succeed. Yes, research tools. They teach you. They go as deep as showing you daily market probabilities as it may go. These are the whole thing you need to know about a quality and reliable broker in South Africa. Finally, you have to invest in education and practice. Practice. As a beginner, you must practice. Let me tell you, as I rightly said in the beginning, please, if you're enjoying, share, subscribe, be part of my channel. As I rightly said in the beginning, no matter how prepared you are, with a bad pitch, you cannot, that's with a bad platform, you cannot make a good trade. Yes, then you must have, now I've given you a very wonderful platform. For you to perform on that platform, you must develop yourself. You must develop your skill. Yes, for you to make informed decision, for you to build confidence, you must master these trading skills on a regular basis. As I said, you must be a very good trader to make money. So you have the right platform, which is Octa Forex. Then it's up to you to study very well. Let us briefly look at this Octa Forex I am promoting. I am encouraging you. This is the broker. I've used brokers more than 15. What is 15? Over the years, I've been in this industry for more than 15, between 15 to 20 years. I have used brokers. And today, I'm telling you, join me. If you want to enjoy this broker, there is a link in the description. Be part of this broker. And let me tell you something. Apart from the signals, apart from the education you have, I will personally give you my 1 month free signals on trading. Yes, my signal may be 1, 2, or 3 in a month, or 5 as the opportunity comes. It is not a scalping signal that will tell you enter, go out of the market in 2 pips, 3 pips. No, it is a signal that I wait until it matures so that you can ride for a very long time. So once you sign from the link below, you will enjoy such benefit from me. Yes. So let's look at the interesting part of this broker. 0% swap. 0% swap. No commission, as you are hearing from the horse's mouth. Secure deposit and withdrawal via your preferred payment method. Yes, this is real. This is one of the fastest. You can experience this in a very short while. They have a very powerful feature. This copy trading. This is money-making machine. Yes. What does the platform does? The platform allows you to copy the traders, to copy successful traders. You will see every analysis about every trader, successful traders on this platform, and you just simply tap into it and make money. Boom. Yes. It's as simple as that. They have multiple trading platforms, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and OctaTrader. Yes. You can copy trade from your own platform to another person's. Then the analysis and education, that is massive. Massive. Yes. So with this, my own, let me tell you, no broker is 100% perfect. Everybody has what he wants in a broker. My own goal is to get my money once I make it from the broker. And this is the only broker that I withdraw almost instantly. So it is a wonderful opportunity to be here as a new broker or a new trader searching for the best Forex broker in South Africa. And here you have it. Invest in your knowledge, invest your money, and make so much money. Thank you for watching. However, the South African Forex market awaits you, and with the right broker and commitment to learning, you are well on your way to achieving your trading goal, which is making money off the market. If you enjoy this video, if you have any comment, please drop it at the comment section. Subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow this broker using the link on my description below. because you obviously have my 1 month free trading signal. Thank you for watching.